Indeed, we are very excited to launch this new initiative, which will bring the mobile internet experience to more and more Filipinos. Let us welcome Internet.org by Facebook app in the Philippines with this new television commercial.
Dito sa atin, libre ang internet para sa lahat. Salamat sa Token Text na dala ang Internet.org. Libre mag-Facebook. Mag-search ng tips para sa kalusugan. Mag-check ng panahon para laging handa. Libre din mag-aral, maging updated sa news, sports, entertainment at marami pang ibang pagpapabuti ng buhay ng mga katropa. Sa Internet.org at Token Text.
Owning a mobile phone with calls and text features makes life easier and productive for people on a daily basis. As we say in Filipino, mas nakakagaan ng pang-araw-araw na buhay. But imagine the beneficial impact of having access to relevant web content and services makes this experience even more powerful. By bridging the digital divide, providing access to useful information and services, internet access can help people transform their lives. As we say in Token Text, panalong may alam. In English, that means the well-informed are winners. The Internet.org app by Facebook is now available to all Smart, Token Text, and Sun subscribers.
Mga mahal kong kababayan, isa po itong ganap na talaga pong dapat natin yakapin dahil magmula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Palawan, ARMM, lahat po sila magkakaroon na ng access sa libreng internet. Sigurado po tayo, makikinabang tayo at mapapabuti ang buhay natin dito. Sa Internet.org at Token Text at siyempre po, Smart, panalo ang may alam. Sa Token Text, araw-araw, panalo. Salamat po.